It is a stadium that has a feel very much of its own. I'm talking, of course, of Craven Cottage. I'm Derek Ray, joined here on the commentary position, as always, by Lee Dixon. And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It is Fulham versus Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Yeah, thank you, Derek. I'm really looking forward to this. Both teams certainly capable of producing some entertaining football. Hopefully we'll get that.
Mario Lemina. Number 14.
Well, it's a real joy getting the chance to watch Willian José in action. Lee, what do you think we might see from him?
Well, basically, you've got to keep him out the box because he's got such a brilliant finishing ability that you give him half a yard, he will score. So keep him as far away from your goal as possible.
And this is the team Fulham have selected. And this is a formation most people in the game are very familiar with nowadays.
Yeah, most coaches are adopting this formation. What it does give you is two holding players in front of the back four to protect them, but it also gives you three supporting players to that central striker.
The initial 11 for Wolves.
Thank you.
It does rather look as though it's going to be a battle of the 4-5-1 formations in this game. Similar setups, Lee.
Well, it looks lovely in the graphic, doesn't it? There's players everywhere. They have got the freedom to roam around the pitch how they see fit. There is some structure to it, but that lone striker up front needs support, not only around him, but from wide areas too. The supply line will come from the wide midfield players and maybe the overlapping fullbacks.
Aina. And in possession, Caballero. Lemina. Alexander Mitrovic. Unable to keep the ball that time. Nelson Semedo. Bitch. And Reed with it. Harrison Reed. Lemina. Mitrovic. That's a very impressive piece of defending. It's a good Wolves move in the making. And a strong tackle. Harrison Reed. A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time here. The teams are ready to have a go at each other again as the second half commences. Podence. Ruben Neves. An alert intervention. A foul, but advantage played. Well, you might say he'll be happy with some aspects of his performance so far, but not every aspect, Lee.
Well, it's not been a great first half of football as far as he's concerned. He seemed a little bit sluggish to me, Derek. Easy for the back line to pick him up. Needs more movement.
Loftus-Cheek. Now can they make something happen? Adama. And here is Willian José. Failed to keep hold of it. An example of how to press. Spot on with that tackle. Read it well. Willian José. Excellent defending. Loftus-Cheek. Good vision. Can he get onto this? Pivotal moment defensively. Loftus-Cheek. There wasn't much in that offside decision. Could have been in business. And it is substitution time at this juncture. Not just from one side, but from both. Adama. Willian Jose. Now Dendoncker. Pedro Neto. Beautifully weighted ball. Played towards the back post. And behind it goes the concession of a corner here. And they're making a change. Played into the centre of the box. Foiling them effectively. Moutinho. Well, he's been ruled offside. Alexander Mitrovic. Pedro Neto. Can he open the door to a potential goal? Well, no danger now. Inside the last quarter of an hour. Now what can they do from here? Adama. More possibilities inside the box. Attending to his defensive chores. Poor pass. Can they grab the lead late on? And Moutinho with it. Moutinho! Great save by Areola. Well, this forthcoming corner might just do it. Could be their last chance to hit the front in the dying moments. And firing it into the area. Fractionally over the top.